Do you want to stand out like a high competent person at your workplace? Or maybe whenever you meet someone, you want to establish a killer first impression. For an example, during an interview for your dream company. Or maybe in any social or networking event. Or when you're meeting a client for the first time. Or possibly when you're going out on a date to meet your romantic interest. If yes, then keep watching this video. Hey, it's Rajiv from Be High Achiever, and today I'm going to share the 3 behaviors which will not only bring the change in how people see you but also leave a great impression on them. But before we get into the behaviors of a top performer and a high achiever, I want to share the mindset and how they approach any situation. Now, as a high achiever, you need to realize we are social human beings and we always come across a lot of situations that we have to leave a great impression. But generally you will see a lot of people saying, "Ooh, I really do not care what other people think about me." But in reality, they are generally low performers or are really bad at social skills, and people generally do not respect them. But unlike them, you are going to stand out as a high achiever. You will be able to walk up to any situation and have everyone's attention on you and let them wonder, who is that guy? Generally speaking, I do not care attitude may help you to some extent in some certain situations. However, when you are in a situation where you will see all these 50 or 100 people every single day, you cannot go with this kind of mindset. Imagine you are in a situation where people around you like you, respect you, admire you. That will be an unfair advantage for you. You will be more resourceful compared to the other person who have this kind of attitude. And your influence over them is going to become a great leverage for you. You will be more resourceful. You will be able to get things done faster and you will have more social power in any situation. But it will all start with leaving that first great impression. So now we have cleared the mindset of an high achiever. Now I'm going to share the 3 things that you can implement right now which will help you to create that first killer impression. Number 1, nonverbals. Now you might be thinking, why nonverbals are so important? Because even before you interact with someone, they are going to draw an image of you the way you behave non-verbally. Your desire, your attitude, everything is being communicated to other people, but they are not in the form of words, but through your body. So you need to keep in check your body language. And I'm not going to share the usual generic advice like straight up, chin up. No, you know them. Instead, what I'm about to share is only simple but very powerful yet commonly ignored behaviors that people never take notice of, and it can be applied to any situation or any behavior. The way you sit, the way you walk, the way you talk, or the way you use your body to communicate with others. First thing that you can do is take up more space. People with really high self-confidence will always take up more space to share their vibe and energy with others. Either they are sitting, they are talking, or they are standing up as well. It doesn't matter. So start taking more space. If you want a role model, start looking for Russell Brand on late night shows. Observe how he does it. Second thing that you can do is have slow and controlled movements. People who have their life under control, it reflects through their movement. The way you walk, the way you talk, every single thing. Doesn't matter. So next time when you're out, I want you to cut down your movements by 50%, and you will see how things are changing around you, how people react to you. Third thing that you can do is have deep and relaxed eye contact. So whenever you're speaking with someone, make 90% of the time eye contact. And when you are listening, make around 50 to 60% of the time eye contact. And when you're doing it, simultaneously ensure that you're relaxed. Do some heavy breathing. Relax yourself. It will work out. And you will see people giving a different reaction compared to when you are avoiding eye contacts. Number 2, be energetic. It's okay to be excited. Imagine me talking like this. I used to be very energetic when I was in an interview, but I would not get that job because after later on in the feedbacks, I would find out that they are saying that this guy is not interested. He doesn't seem interesting at all. You don't want to be like that. In your head, you might be the most exciting person in the world, But if you're not representing it to the others, if you're not sharing it with others, if you're not showing it, people don't want to be around these kind of people. They want to be around people who are energetic, who are alive, who are passionate, and you want to be like that. So focus on your energy. Next time you're out, even in an interview, even in a meeting, even on a date, up your energy by 50%, and you will see how people are reacting to you, how excited they are, how much they are enjoying themselves. Number 3, smile. Now you might be thinking, what is wrong with Rajiv? He's telling me these basic things. Smile. But you need to understand, smiles are contagious. Whenever you are out there, try to smile a little more, and you will see it will make you feel great and simultaneously makes others feel great. And people want to be around these kind of people who can make them feel great, who can make them feel energetic, positive. So imagine if me talking to you, you need to smile more because it will make others feel great. It doesn't look good, right? In the same manner, when you're speaking with someone, while you have fixed your non-verbals, you are energetic, you have to smile as well. It will make you look good, it will make you more confident, and it will create a good impression on others who are around you. Because these type of people are really addictive and people want to be around them. And whenever they meet someone, they always create great impression. So if you want to create great impression, start incorporating these 3 behaviors. Fix your non-verbals, be more energetic, and smile more. And you will see how people are starting to change around you, the way they interact with you. And I will see you next time. Hey High Achiever, if you like this video and want to keep watching more life-changing content, please subscribe to this channel and also help this channel to grow by sharing and liking this video. And also I have a gift waiting for you. So click on the description, click on the link, and you will find the best ultimate guide to increase your self-confidence and social skills. It's completely free. You don't have to pay anything. Just go ahead and take it and start using it and start transforming your life. I will see you next time.